Mr. Speaker, last year we allowed the manufacturers of baby diapers to access inputs for manufacture of baby diapers duty-free. This was meant to lower the cost of manufacturing these essential products. I'm happy to note that many companies have responded to this incentive by increasing production. In order to continue making these products affordable to our babies, the East African ministers allowed Kenya to extend the duty-free importation of inputs for manufacture of baby diapers for a further 1 year. Moreover, to protect these manufacturers from competition from imported products, the region allowed Kenya to extend charging imported baby diapers at a rate of 35% for a further 1 year. Mr. Speaker, leather industry is one of the priority value chain under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. In order to support local value addition and protect the industry from unfair competition, the East African Community Partner States agreed to retain the import duty on imported leather and footwear products at a rate of 35%. In addition, Kenya was allowed to extend the duty-free importation of raw materials and inputs for manufacture of footwear products. Mr. Speaker, Kenya has adequate capacity to meet local demand for roofing tiles. In order to facilitate access to Kenyan-made roofing tiles at affordable prices, Kenya was granted extension of a duty-free window for importing inputs for the manufacture of roofing tiles for a further 1 year. Mr. Speaker, in order to protect the Kenyan producers of paper and paper products from the proliferation of cheap imports, Kenya was allowed to import these products at a rate of 35% for the next 1 year. Mr. Speaker, in order to protect local production of safety matches, particle boards, plywoods, among other goods of timber, Kenya was allowed to extend charging of specific rates of import duty in addition to ad valorem duty ranging from US $120 per metric ton to US $200 per metric ton on these goods. This is also meant to curb the ad valuation of goods and safeguard revenues further. Further, Kenya was allowed to charge a rate of 45% on imported furniture in order to protect local manufacturers and producers.